An ambitious apartment renovation in one of Prague's earliest functionalist-style tenement buildings takes a minimalist approach to revitalize the space. The initial phase of the project involves stripping away layers of outdated additions to reveal the apartment's original structure. This process laid the foundation for a design concept that revolves around three core elements: space, light, and unique solitaires. The architect's vision centered on enhancing the feeling of spaciousness. To achieve this, they designed a large, custom-built furniture block that extends through the apartment, serving multiple purposes. This block contains utility rooms and a wardrobe at the entrance, then continues through the space to hide storage, conceal a kitchen behind bifold doors, and house two smaller bathrooms. By integrating these elements into a single structure, the rest of the apartment remains open and uncluttered, fostering a sense of simplicity and flow. The furniture block serves as a canvas for a striking artistic expression by Klára Spišková, whose bold painting stands out against the raw MDF boards. This creative touch adds a unique energy to the space while maintaining the minimalist aesthetic. The apartment's overall color scheme is subdued, with a sober white backdrop and subtle rosy hues. These delicate tones deepen as they reach the apartment's ends, where the living room features raspberry-colored sofas, and the bedroom has curtains in shades of apricot and vibrant crimson. This strategic use of color ties the spaces together while adding a touch of warmth. The apartment's design skillfully balances soft and rough elements, creating a harmonious atmosphere. Soft pink tones are juxtaposed with metallic accents, reflecting the concept's emphasis on contrasts. The theme of softness and roughness carries into the bathrooms, where darker tones like brick and terracotta add depth and warmth, further enhanced by ambient lighting. This balance extends to the choice of materials and textures, contributing to a cohesive and inviting interior. Connectivity plays a crucial role in the apartment's design. Long vistas and strategic use of reflections enhance the sense of space, allowing for uninterrupted views throughout the apartment. This connectivity is not only spatial but also material and color-based, creating a seamless transition from one area to the next. The ability to close off the bedroom with a mobile partition provides flexibility without compromising the overall design flow. The result is a modern living space that honors its functionalist roots while embracing a contemporary aesthetic.